See, after 1 second the div container will show, and after 3 seconds the animation, the slider animation to move right side to hide the div container. That's it. Again I am showing. See, after 1 second show the div, after 3 seconds the slider animation will come. Let's write the code in JavaScript how to show and hide a div container using the slider animation. If you notice, in this HTML page contains a basic HTML image. Just for the time saving I have added here in the body tag. Inside the body tag I have a div element. Now I want to show and hide this div element using a JavaScript with a slider animation. So first let's add a script element, script document dot add event listener. This event listener DOM content loaded. When DOM content loaded function, I want to add the DOM content loaded. Now variable my div. Here I have declared a variable my div to access this div element. So first let's add the semicolon here. Here document dot get element by id. Here the id of the div is my div. Let's copy that one and paste here. After that, now here the first condition, I want to show the div container after page loads 1 second. After 1 second page loads, I want to display set timeout. Set timeout is function. I'm adding 1000 milliseconds means it's equals to 1 second. Now I want to display the div dot style dot display. Display is block. Block means it will show my div dot style dot left. I want to display at the center of the browser. And also I'm adding the transform. My div dot style dot transform is equals to translate minus 50%, minus 50%. After div tag 1 second, after 1 second page loads, I want to show the div tag. Then for 3 seconds I want to keep the div container at the center of the browser. So for that I'm adding set timeout function here 3000 milliseconds, which means 3 seconds I want to keep the div container at the center. So here let's copy this one. Instead of writing the same thing, let's copy this one and paste here. This one 100%, then everything is okay. Now I want to move the div container at the right side after 3 seconds. So set timeout. Again I am adding one more function, set timeout function, around 500. The delay time is my div dot style dot display none. So after 3 seconds the div container will move right side with a slider animation. Then I don't want to show the div container. That's it. Up to now we have just finished the JavaScript functionality. Now in the header section let's add some style for the div container. Just basic styles I'm adding here. First let's add the body background color. Let's add the black color, and let's define this div, my div, with id. When we are adding IDs, hash my div display none. Why I'm adding display none? when page loads, I don't want to show the div container for 1 second. So that's why I'm adding none here. Width around 350 pixels. According to your requirement, you can adjust the height and width around 100 pixels. Because my div container is very text is very small. Background color, here I'm adding around light blue. Position, absolute position, top 50%, left 0%, 0. Transform, this is most important. Transform, translate minus 100% and minus 50%. Text align is the center. Line height, we don't require this all, but just I'm using these properties. Transition, this is very important. Transition is a sliding left, the animation for 0.5 seconds, and border radius 10 pixels. That's it. We have done the complete coding part to show and hide with a slider animation using JavaScript. Let's save this file first. To check the final output of our application, we need to open the File Explorer. Let's open that one. The folder I have created in the E drive, and the folder name is a JavaScript. And this is our file name, slide div show hide. Let's check that one, slide div show hide. Now let's open this div container. See, after 1 second the div container will show, and after 3 seconds the animation, the slider animation to move right side to hide the div container. That's it. Again I'm showing. See, after 1 second show the div, after 3 seconds the slider animation will come. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.